Build strong relationships with employees. Building strong relationships with employees is essential for effective leadership in HERM. Leaders who can build trust and rapport with their employees are better equipped to motivate and engage the To build strong relationships with employees, leaders should focus on communication, transparency, and empathy. They should also provide opportunities for employee feedback and recognize and reward employee contributions. Employee contributions. Develop effective communication skills. Effective communication is a critical component of leadership in HERM. Leaders who can communicate clearly and effectively are better equipped to manage their teams and resources. To develop effective communication skills, leaders should focus on active listening, clear and concise messaging, and adapting communication styles to different audiences. They should also seek feedback on their communication style and adjust it as needed to improve effectiveness. On their communication style and adjust it as needed to improve effectiveness. Embrace diversity and inclusivity. Diversity and inclusivity are essential for effective leadership in HERM. Leaders who can embrace diversity and create inclusive work environments are better equipped to attract and retain top talent. To embrace diversity and inclusivity, leaders should focus on creating a culture of respect and understanding, providing equal opportunities for all employees, and promoting diversity in recruitment. Promotion. They should also seek out training and resources on diversity and inclusivity to improve their skills and knowledge. Promotion. They should also seek out training and resources on diversity and inclusivity to improve their skills and knowledge. In conclusion, developing effective leadership and HERM skills is essential for success in today's business world. By attending leadership training programs, reading leadership and HERM literature, see mentorship and coaching, practicing self-reflection, building strong relationships with employees, developing effective communication skills, and embracing diversity and inclusivity, leaders can. Mentorship and coaching, practicing self-reflection, building strong relationships with employees, developing effective communication skills, and embracing diversity and inclusivity, leaders can. Develop the skills and knowledge needed to effectively manage their teams and resources. By following these tips, leaders can improve their performance, achieve their goals, and lead their businesses. Developing leadership and human resource management skills is essential for business success. Leaders and managers set the tone for organizational culture, employee motivation, and overall performance.